Welcome to the session number 31 from the chapter of laws of motion. The topic is the basics of friction, and the subtopic is the effect of friction on the motion of stacked blocks lying on a smooth horizontal surface. So based on this topic, I have drawn here one diagram here, and in this diagram there are two stacked blocks as shown in this figure. So this is the block which is having a mass of capital M, and this is the block which is having a mass of small m, and the coefficient of friction at the interface of these two blocks is equal to mu, and this block of mass capital M is lying on a frictionless horizontal surface. तो यहाँ पर हम we will find the value of this applied force, that is the force which is applied on this block of mass small m, such that both these two blocks move together. So we will be finding the value of the applied force for which both these two blocks will move together. So ये दोनों blocks एक साथ तब मूव करेंगे जब दोनों का जो एक्सेलरेशन है वो सेम होगा, and in other words we can say that these two blocks will move together only when there is no relative motion between these two blocks. So यहाँ पर एक एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई किया गया है ऑन दिस ब्लॉक ऑफ मास स्मॉल m. तो जैसे ही हम यहाँ पे दिस फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे, what will happen? The force of friction will be generated, and this force of friction will oppose the relative motion. So if the force is being applied in this direction, then this block of mass small m will move in this will have a tendency to move in this direction. So the force of friction will act in the backward direction. Let us say this is small f, so this will be equal to mu into n. N is a normal reaction, so for this surface the normal reaction will be equal to small m into g. This is the force of friction which will be acting in the backward direction. So the net force acting on this block of mass small m will be equal to F minus mu mg, and this will produce some acceleration in this block of mass m. Let us say that acceleration is am. So this is the net force acting on this block, and force is equal to mass into acceleration. So mass into the acceleration produced in this block of mass small m. Now since this block has got a tendency of moving in the forward direction as indicated by this arrow due to the application of this force F, therefore what will happen? This block, that is the lower block having a mass capital M, will be left behind. अगर ये इस ब्लॉक की टेंडेंसी आगे मूव करने की है, so this block will be left behind, and because of that the same force of friction will act on this block in the forward direction, and this force of friction will drive this block, that is this block of mass capital M, in the forward direction. So mu mg, this is the net force acting on the block of mass capital M, because this the surface on which this block is resting is frictionless. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स जनरेट नहीं होगा. So mu mg will be equal to mass into acceleration. Mass, and let us say the acceleration produced in this block is a capital M. Now both these two blocks will move together if the acceleration of both these two blocks are equal. That is, if am is equal to am. If a small m is equal to a capital M. So यहाँ पर what I will be doing is I will be simply finding the value of a small m. This is equal to F minus mu mg divided by small m, and this acceleration should be equal to the acceleration of this lower block. So the if both these blocks are to move together, so this should be equal to the acceleration of the lower block, which is equal to mu m g upon m for both the blocks to move together. So यहाँ से एक हमारी अब इक्वेशन जनरेट हो गई है, and with the help of this equation we will be able to find the value of the external force which will be required to move both these two blocks together. So यहाँ पर F minus mu mg upon m is equal to mu small m divided by capital M. So ये हो जाएगा आपका by cross multiplication I will be getting Fm minus mu small m capital M g, this is equal to mu m square, that is small m square into g by cross multiplication. So from here I can write that F dot m is equal to, this term will be taken on the right side, so mu mg, mu small m g is common, and I will be getting in bracket as small m plus m. So from this equation I will get the value of F. F is the magnitude of the external force which is required to move both these two blocks together. So F will be equal to mu m upon m into g in bracket m, that is small m, plus capital M. So this is the value of the force which is required to move both these two blocks together. And if the blocks do not move together, then the acceleration of the upper block will be given by the equation, that is F minus mu m small m g, and this is equal to m into the acceleration of this upper block, which is equal to am, and the acceleration of the lower block will be given by the equation mu small m g, which is equal to m into a capital M. Now here a capital M is the acceleration of the lower block. So if the blocks do not move together, then the acceleration of this upper block, that is am, a small m, this will be equal to F minus mu mg divided by small m, and the acceleration of the lower block, that is a capital M, this will be equal to mu small m divided by capital M into g. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session I will be coming with a different example from the topic of friction basics, and in the next session also I will be coming up with an example pertaining to the motion of the stacked blocks on a horizontal surface. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.